American EV maker Rivian has partnered with Pivot Energy. The deal involves 60 megawatts of solar energy, which includes a community solar subscription for Rivian's Illinois manufacturing facility. Rivian is on a mission to bring clean energy to regions set for new solar development. The partnership will substantially lessen greenhouse gases in the local area. The new community solar projects are projected to generate 79,000 megawatt-hours of clean electricity yearly. That's enough to power almost 11,000 households each year. Both companies are committing $5,000 per megawatt constructed to local organizations. Rivian aims to operate with over 90% carbon-free energy and will run on 100% renewable energy annually by 2030. This partnership shows a path to scale renewable resources and align with the growth in electric vehicle demand. You are listening to UON News.